This question was asked in GATE Electronics and Communication. We are given that the magnetic field in air is measured to be B, and we are asked which current distribution leads to this field. We know the relation del cross H equal to J. So, and we also know B is equal to mu H. From this we can find out J as 1 by mu del cross B. So this we must evaluate del cross B, and it was given in the question that algebra is trivial in cylindrical coordinate system. So let's see how we can quickly convert this into cylindrical coordinate system. To find, so cylindrical coordinate system will be composed of rho, phi and z. Here we do not have an z term, so we need not worry about the z component, because the z in Cartesian and cylindrical coordinate system are same. So if there is an z component, it must also be present here, which is not the case. So we need to find out the component of B along rho and phi. So we need to find out what is A rho. To find A rho, we must dot product the vector with the unit vector along A rho, that is A rho cap. That will be P dot B naught into X must be replaced by, for converting into cylindrical coordinate system, must be replaced by rho cos phi. Here we have rho square cos square phi plus rho square sin square phi. That is for y square. Now we have y cap dot A rho cap. We must substitute the value of this term here. We will do it later. Minus, what is y? That is rho sin phi by rho square cos square phi plus rho square sin square phi into x cap dot A rho cap. Now what is y cap dot A rho cap? We must know this dot product of unit vectors for conversion from one coordinate system to another. So this is sin phi, and x cap dot A rho cap is cos phi. So we need to substitute it here. Before that we can reduce it a little bit. We have rho cos phi by rho square into cos square phi plus sin square phi. We know its value is 1 into y cap dot A rho cap, which is sin phi minus rho sin phi into cos phi by rho square into cos square phi plus sin square phi. So from this it is clear that these two terms will cancel and the component along A rho is 0. Now we need to find out what is the component along A phi. Now to find the component of B vector along A phi, we need B vector dot A phi. That will be B naught into, we have x as rho cos phi by, we have reduced this, that will be rho square into cos square phi plus sin square phi, that will be rho square into y cap dot A phi. We need to substitute for this term, minus rho sin phi by rho square into x cap dot A phi cap. This we can rewrite as B naught into, we can take rho common from both these terms, that will be rho, because this and this square will get cancelled. and what is y cap dot a phi? That will be cos phi, and x cap dot a phi will be minus sin phi. From that we will have cos phi into cos phi, that is cos square phi, minus sin phi into minus sin phi, that is plus sin square phi. This is the component along a phi, that is cos square phi plus sin square phi is 1. So we have the component as b naught by rho. We have already seen that az is 0 because there is no z component. Now, so we have left with the b vector is b naught by rho a phi. This is in cylindrical coordinate system. Now we just quickly find what is del cross b. Let's see that. Now we need to find out what is del cross b. We have found out what is b in cylindrical coordinate system. Now what is del cross b in cylindrical coordinate system? That will be 1 by rho determinant of a rho a phi az. These are the unit vectors, and we have the partials dou by dou rho, dou by dou phi, and dou by dou z. Here we have a rho component as 0. We have rho into this a phi component, that is p naught by rho, and the z component is 0. So from this we can cancel this rho and rho. So we are left with b naught. Now what will be the value of this determinant? We can clearly see here we have 0, here we have 0, and here we have a constant b naught. So the derivative of a constant will always be 0. So we need not evaluate this determinant because its value will be 0. Okay, we have 0 here, 0 here, and this is a constant. So even if we take the derivative with respect to any of these, it will surely lead to 0. So this is 0. So the correct answer is, the current distribution will lead to this is 0 and R naught 0.